Good morning, dear hearts. Lesson 50. First of all, congratulate yourself that you have completed the first 50 lessons of the workbook. It is a milestone, and many have said that the shift in energy and understanding and awareness that happens with the completion of the first 50 lessons is very real and very powerful. So, first of all, congratulations. Now, I am sustained by the love of God. Um, I, I, I love the nuance in this lesson. Sustained is an amazing word, and I've used it before this year talking about an untrained thought system or mind is not sustainable, meaning it cannot last. To sustain is a verb, okay? And it means for something to be able to last. And we are able to last with the love of God. This is how we remain whole. This is how we identify and recognize our wholeness, because we are sustained by the love of God. This lesson tells us that, all these other things of this world that we have placed faith in, and it has a wonderful list about, protective clothing and influence and prestige and knowing the right people and having the right things. None of those, that long list, and it can go on, nothing on that list is going to last. These are all idols of ego, and they are ephemeral. They are not sustainable. But what will last, what can be sustained, is God's love for us. And this lesson says that only the love of God will protect you in all circumstances. The love of God is always there. It is changeless. It is cohesive. It is ever present. It's just up to us to turn towards that and away from all of the illusions that we have placed faith in and have believed to be real and true. And sometimes that's a hard lesson to learn, that they are not, that they will not stay, that all of these accoutrements of the ego are simply smoke and mirrors. And for a time, we will find comfort in them. We will find what we believe to be power in them, but they will not last. Only the love of God will sustain us. And that is the heart here of this, that I am. Again, it's one of the I am lessons. I am sustained by the love of God. That awareness will move mountains in my mind, mountains of erroneous beliefs, mountains of ego thoughts will be moved away. Okay, they will just disappear once I realize that only God's love will sustain me, and it is eternal. The practice sessions are 2 10-minute ones. I just want to mention that I did not take down last year's lesson 50. It is still on the YouTube channel if you'd like to see what I said last year as well. Because they're a little different, and of course they're the same. But this is a lesson that is, and how it describes to practice the lesson. Again, it doesn't say it's a meditation, but it certainly is. But to go deep into this thought, go deep into our consciousness, and allow the idea of God's love just washing over you, just enfolding you, just being there and comforting you, and the deep, deep peace that it will bring you. So, and as it says towards the end of the lesson, such is the kingdom of heaven. So, tomorrow we begin the first review. Again, just amazing things to behold. we've already accomplished, and more is on its way. So I hope this helped. Please like, please share, please subscribe, please comment, please be here tomorrow. Namaste.